tour of room 5131 on the Disney Wonder. Our first Disney cruise. Walking in, this is the interior cabin. You can see safety briefs going. We got a queen bed here. And we've got this pull out. This turns into a bed as well. We got this desk area here. All right. There's storage up here. A couple storage areas as well as down here too. There's a lot of storage in here. Is there a fridge? Yes, there is a fridge. Mini fridge. All right, and then we go this way. We have the closet. This is where the life vests are. Oh, the light just turned on by itself when I moved it. That's pretty cool. And there's the safe. Just turn it around here the other way, and we have the head. That's what you call it on a ship. You call it a head. There's a head. Oh, look at these fancy things over here. Oh, it's nice they have a sharps disposal for anybody that needs to take insulin and things like that. That's awesome. Very inclusive. I like that. All right. Well, and here is the shower / tub. It's great. My daughter likes taking baths, so that's gonna be awesome. It's pretty tall in here too. I'm 5'11". I think I'll be fine in here.